you doing? Good to see you. Lamarr Wilson here, back for another video. Um, it's in the house, y'all. It's in the house. I'm about to plug it in so you can at least see that it's a real certified unit. So today's October 1st. I have received the retail edition with the retail box and everything. However, there are very heavy embargoes on here. If you don't know what that word means, basically, um, I and the other press members are allowed to only show you so much. So I'm not able. Shouldn't even be showing you this cord. Ooh. No, I can show you. I'm not able to show you the unboxing of it, but I've already unboxed it. So it's really weird. So I actually have filmed the unboxing, but I can't put that out until a later date. I actually don't think I could tell you the date for the embargo yet, unless if you know already, cool. But I think my paperwork said don't mention the date, whatever. So when you see that video, it's going to be me unboxing it, but you've already seen me today with it out of the box. It's really weird. And so, yeah, this is just more of a video just to let you know I have it. I can't give you any impressions of it. Obviously, I just opened it. Like, I haven't turned it on or anything, but I'm about to turn it on. Okay, this is going to be tight right here. Okay, but just to show you that it is real, I have never done this. Hold on. Oh, there it is. I don't know if you heard it, but there's the light. So it's on. Let me turn it back off because, hold that. And there it is. We're off now. Okay. So again, I only have so many, it's weird. I have only so many seconds I can show you that I have it. So it's the real deal. Okay. And that's all I can show you, unfortunately. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know, hi. It's a long day. It's so weird. I filmed a video that shows you what you want to see, but I can't show it to you till later. So I'm geeked. I am geeked that I have this. Now I know you've seen some people with videos already that have shown. I mean, these are reviewers, right? So they're able to show you like side by side gameplay or how fast things open, stuff like that. That's not something I do on this channel. However, when I'm allowed to, I definitely want to go through what's on my Series X because I want to walk through some of the games that I'm able to play because I want to have experience with this. So I'm going to record all of that. And then, so I'll have a different kind of video for you, but it'll be more personal, more about my experience with it. Also, on TikTok, yes, I know, but I'm big there. On TikTok, well, I'm getting big there. And Instagram, I will be doing some like little anecdotal videos there because I'm allowed to do that there. So there'll be little skits and little things of me using it in my house and maybe sitting on the TV and things and having to set up in that TV thing. So follow me on either one of those platforms, whatever one is your comfort level, at Lamarr Wilson on TikTok or Instagram, and I'll be doing plenty of those little short 15-second videos on I can't answer any questions on it. However, you're still going to have questions, right? So put them in the comments below. I'm going to be surfacing those comments as I start making content, and then I was like, okay, people want to see this, or because they know the kind of videos I do, so they want to see this from me. They want to see what's on my Xbox, so they want to see me open various games really fast, or the quick resume, pause, and things like that. So you let me know, and can I just say this? Like, seriously, I'm not a reviewer. I'm not a official press junket. I'm not an IGN, whatever. I'm Lamarr Wilson, which is my own brand and my own business. But still, I have worked with Xbox for some years, but I don't ever take it for granted. Like this is a humbling moment for me to like, I'm appreciative that I'm accounted among the Engadgets, among the IGNs, among even on YouTube, among the MKBHDs and the Austin Evans and all those who actually do this on a higher level than I do. I'm very much more of a lifestyle type of brand. I'm personal. So I'm still humbled that this huge company, one of the biggest in the world, like sees me. You know what I mean? So I really want to thank Microsoft and Xbox for that because I don't take it for granted. When I saw this come in, my eyes watered. I didn't put it on camera, but my eyes watered because I'm like, wow, me, this insignificant person But yeah. So I don't know. I just wanted to share that. That's my anecdote for today. So again, if you have any questions or anything, let me know. If you've seen the TikTok already, because I'm gonna put that out before this, or the Instagram, cool. It's a nice little funny skit that I came up with. And yeah, there'll be more content there. I'm growing really fast on those plays. TikTok might be bigger than YouTube by the end of this year. I'm just saying. I ain't doing no dancing and stuff like that. So don't be thinking you like I ain't no Lamarr doing the wop with my leg kicking up really high. Cause ain't nothing wet. I'm gonna stop, but I'm just saying I ain't doing that. I'm too old. I'm too old for that. I would be in the hospital trying to kick my leg up that high. I ain't no, I ain't Cardi B. Who is that? The person who did that song? I don't know. Just letting y'all know. You ain't gonna get that from me. I can actually show you the controller too. Yeah, some people did that. So I showed you. So that's the controller. And I think I said in the unboxing that I would compare the controllers, which yeah, I've seen other people do, so I know I'm allowed to do that. So yeah, my thing was I felt like this controller was lighter. Let me take the battery out real quick. See, this video is all over the place, right? I'm sorry, but that's what YouTube is. Okay. Well, I initially felt like this was lighter, but they feel about the same now. Let me switch hands. Yeah, they feel about the same. It seemed like this one just by default comes with the textured back. So I know it's kind of hard to see, but like it has the, you hear that? It has the textured, and like the regular controller is more smooth. It doesn't have that. So, and then the only change, obviously you have the D-pad looks different. Okay, it looks more like the Elite controller. You see that? See the difference? And then the share button, I'm not holding this right, but you get the idea. There's a share button in the middle, which I will definitely be using to like record footage. And yeah, the buttons are still in the same place. But I heard like like the triggers look a little bit smaller. Okay, I'm just bumping the microphone. Yeah, they look a little bit smaller. And again, this is stuff y'all seen before. And hold on, I think that's the one I didn't know. Let me make sure. Hold on. USB-C. USB-C charging this versus micro SD. So that's a big change too, because the Elite 2 had USB-C. So now it looks like the regular controller that comes with it has it. So, and also if you have a bunch of controllers like this, like I do, they still work with the Xbox. So Series X. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be getting the Series S from them. I didn't pre-order it myself because I wanted Series X. Like one's gonna be in this office, and eventually one will be downstairs too, so I can have Xboxes in both places. One for business, one for personal. If I can get my hand on a Series S, that'll be awesome. So hi Xbox, but yeah, but right now they're sending out this. I think I can show it one more time. Okay, because there's so many seconds I can show it. It's weird. I'm trying to be like on it with the rules. So I'm gonna let y'all go. I've been rambling. This video is too long. I'm sorry it's this long. I'll talk to y'all later, okay? Bye!